Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Brigitte and today on Tip and Tricks, I will show you the tip set that is included with the Pyrography starter set I just bought to myself. The shading tip. It's easy to write with this tip and to shade large area. To make lines, it's okay, but for curves, it's difficult. Of course, it depends on the wood you take. It takes 5 to 10 minutes to cool down and 5 to 10 minutes to warm up. The bevel tip. Writing with this tip is easier on hardwood. We can manage to make shadow with vertical line. For a dot, it's okay. For a straight line, it's perfect. For curved line, it's difficult. The soldering tip. It's good for writing. For shadow on a small area, it's fine. For line, dots, and curves, it's worked very well. With this tip, writing is easier on hardwood. For shadow, it's good. It's harder to make line with it, but for curve, it's better with very hard wood. The welding tip for writing is very good. For shadow on the small area, it's fine. For line, dots, and curves, it's worked very well. If you like this video, click like, share it with your friend, and subscribe to my channel to not miss my next video.